Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on Happy New Year. Warm welcome to 2021 to my all viewer and subscriber also. Happy New Year, many Happy New Year to all of you. Let's come to the point. Nifty again resist on 14,000 and it's continuously sustained in between 13,850 to 14,000. So for now, if it sustain above 13,800 to 850, then most likely it move for 14,200. Otherwise, below 13,800, it will reverse from 13,400 to 500 zone. Let's come to Nifty chart. As per chart formation, Nifty continuously resist on 14,000 from last few trading sessions. So for now, if it sustain above 14,000, then 14,200 is strong resistance to comes down for 13,800 again. Otherwise, below 13,800, its reversal support zone is 13,400 to 500. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty sustained in between 31,200 to 500 on last trading session again. So for now, below 30,900, it will try for 30,000 to 30,200 zone for reverse. Else, above 31,500, most likely it move for 32,000. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty again sustained in between 31,200 to 500 zone on last trading session. So for now, 30,900 is strongest support zone for Bank Nifty. Otherwise, below 30,900, it will try to reverse from 30,000 to 30,200 once. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future. There have a crucial resistance for Nifty future, that 14,286. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 14,069 and 14,166. Same as there have a crucial support for Nifty future, that 13,700. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 13,849 and 13,784. Same as for Bank Nifty future also. There have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 31,886. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 31,600 and 31,765. There have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 30,648. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 31,064 and 30,876. Nifty and Bank Nifty both figure are January future last traded price figure. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Divi's Lab, that LTP is 3,841, its upper range is 4,000 and lower range is 3,760. So if it sustains above its midpoint, that 3,800 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 4,000. Same as if it sustains below its midpoint, that 3,800 with increases volume, then most likely it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 3,760. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support 3,760, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Divi's Lab, that LTP is 3,841. Havells, that LTP is 916. Godrej Property, that LTP is 1432. SBI Card, that LTP is 851. Apollo Hospital, that LTP is 2412. Voltas, that LTP is 825. Torrent Pharma, that LTP is 2802. Jindal Steel, that LTP is 266. Coromandel, that LTP is 814. Dalmia Bharat, that LTP is 1079. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. You can join my Telegram channel, link given below in video.